Let's take a quick look at what has happened since yesterday. Right away we can see in the entryway, the right side, I took down the veneer wall partition here that had been added on and covering up this bottom section. You can see termite damage through here. At the moment though, it seems like it's more surface level stuff. It doesn't seem like it is, like they were too far deep into the core of the wood, so hopefully that can be salvaged. And then back through into the kitchen area, taking down all of these veneer panels that were covering up the ceiling and around the beams below that. Those were all covered up, and then got rid of some of the other little storage pieces in here, and starting to take down some of the old wiring which was tacked to the veneer, so I had to come down to clear the veneer anyways.